Welcome everybody. Today's video finds us out here in the country. We're in the Tha Ruea district of Ayutthaya province, and what we're going to take a look at is a temple I've been to a couple times. It's way out here in the rice paddies and stuff like that. And it's right here on the Pasak River, and then we have the King Rama VI Dam right behind us. Anyway, this temple is, I believe it's Wat Satue, and it has a couple other names that they call it, but it has a reclining Buddha that's 52 meters long and 16 meters high. And the temple itself was built in like 1857, and the reclining Buddha was built in like the 1890s or something like that. So let's walk through here. I'll show you a little bit of the area, and then we'll go take a look at the reclining Buddha. And there's a little locals market and stuff like that all around here. So we'll see what we see today. Right here, this is the Pasak River, and over there is another temple. Now the old monk that Somdet, something like that, he founded this temple, but he was born, I believe, over there at that temple. And it's just right here on the river, and there is the Rama VI Dam, and then you can see they got a few boats and stuff like that out here. And there's a sign for like you could take some of these boats down like on the river for like a little river cruise, but I've never done that. Water level looks a little low to be doing it anyway. Then up here, this is the main temple itself. So they have a huge like meeting hall over there, a little bit of the markets, and then the reclining Buddha is right over on the other side of that building. Here is a Bangkok era styled ordination hall. And I've been inside it. It has some modern murals and stuff like that, but it's locked up today. Yeah, so this is the ordination hall over here. You can see all the Bangkok styling. They have the gate open. You can't go inside the building itself, but we can see the outside. So you can see these are the ordination stones out here, the Buasima stones that mark the boundary of the ordination hall, or the Ubasot. You can see the Naga and the angels and all the other little Buddha styling. It tells you the date right up there. So 25, what is that? Not sure what that is. It's 2494 is the date, I think. And this year is 2568. And you can see all the styling on the outside. Just a normal hall that you'll see at all the Thai temples. And they opened this up for the chanting, and then whenever I was over here, they were doing the novice monk ceremony, so I got to see them play the music and everything and go around this temple. Okay, so let's go over and look at the reclining Buddha area. We got a hall over here for the funerals, and then the crematorium is over that away, and a few other buildings here. And then over here's the main area that has some shrines and stuff like that outside. The old tree, and then that way goes into the market, and then more of the temple over there. So we have some of the locals selling some of the local produce and stuff, peanuts and mangoes and tamarind, and some water lilies and all kinds of stuff there. And then everybody over here, they're sitting, hanging out. Looks like they got some ice cream from somewhere. And then over here is the reclining Buddha. Oh, this looks pretty busy today. You can hear the music playing. They play that music while they go around the reclining Buddha. And you can buy the flowers and the things for the temple here. And here we go. Reclining Buddha. You can see it's quite massive. They put the gold leaf and everything on here. Now those people will go around the reclining Buddha 3 different times. And then another group will get together and they'll go and do the same thing. Yeah, so you can see she's sticking some gold leaf on there. What a massive statue though. It's a little different than what you normally see. The top knot's not as big. And then they usually will have like some pillows or something like that right here underneath his hand. That's just kind of a solid block. And a lot of times they'll cover these with a robe, and I have seen pictures with this, with the orange robe covering it. And you can see they got the place here for the joe sticks, and here comes our little dance troupe coming back around. And over here we got the shrine with the reclining Buddha and some others. They stick the gold leaf on all of those images there too. All the monks and then any Buddha images. Yeah, you can see the ladies up front doing the little hand dance thing that they all do. Ah, that's fun. And they've stuck a lot of gold leaf on the bottom of this. You can see where the tall people can reach there. And we're down here by the feet. And then it's right next to like this old hall that's right here. We'll look inside of it before we go into the market. You can see it's bowed in the middle. This is an Ayutthaya styled hall. This temple was built during the Bangkok era, but this building itself looks like it was patterned after the late Ayutthaya style. And then you can see the feet of the Buddha right here. And sometimes they'll put like images here. They'll put those auspicious symbols and everything on the feet. This one here just has the straight toes and the straight hands. Just keep on going around. Walk along playing the little keyboard. Oh, that's great. This is the back side of it. You can see where they haven't put the gold leaf. It looks like there's a little door so you can go inside, but it's locked up. Probably the monks do something inside of there. They got some little stairs right there. That must be where they climb up when they pull the robe over it. You can see the ear up there. I had to brace that ear up to keep it from breaking also. You can see the little hair rolls. It has kind of a cool little gold chetty right over here. Yeah, this is a nice little temple. I like to go see these reclining Buddhas. They're always fun to see. I've been to several of them. The only thing I like better than these are the temples with the old Ayutthaya era murals. Okay, let's go into that little hall now that's right over here. So right here they have like what looks like kind of a coffin, but it's not. But you just drop money in there to make donations to the temple. Now this temple here is really famous for the Thais. A lot of Thais come from Ayutthaya, from Saraburi and other places to come over here to pray and make merit. And there's this shrine here that has the various Buddhas and the old man monks. Check out how much gold leaf is on that middle one. Holy cow, that's a lot of gold leaf. Yeah, this building here is really, really bowed. Yeah, there's something famous about this little tree thing. I'm not exactly sure what it's about, but I've seen it before in here. They have a little deal talking about it in Thai. So this is what it looks like inside of this hall. They have some of the old amulets and stuff up there, the pictures of them. And then the Buddha images. And they have the reclining Buddha here also. And they have all these wax figures of the old monks. And you can see the images in here too where they've stuck the gold leaf. And then this is the main Buddha over here. And what people do, they'll come here and they'll pray, and then they have these little elephants right here. So after they pray, they come over here in order to make sure that their wish is going to come true. They have to be able to pick those up, and you just use your little pinky to pick those up. And if you can, then it'll supposedly will kind of reinforce the prayer. And here's that tree. They have it completely wrapped up. You see a little bit of it that's not wrapped up there at the top. Yeah, this is a simple enough hall, just has a window on each side. So let's walk through the little market here. Got amulets for sale. Another one of the old monks over here. And another building that's part of the temple. This looks like another shrine with some of the monks and stuff. More places for the Thais to pray and make merit. And then we have some lottery sales. Normal thing from right outside of a temple. Then we got fresh fish. Looks like it's all the deep fried and the sun-dried fish. And some drinks and coconuts. Yeah, this is kind of a fresh market for the Thais. A lot of these temples, that's what they do in the parking lot. It's a nice, convenient place to meet up. And then they'll have the markets that everybody will utilize. And more out that way. You can see she's over here making some of these little desserts and stuff. Oh, these are always nice. These are like some peanuts, and they deep fry that. And we've got some chicken with the sticky rice, and some corn and peanuts, and some drinks and stuff. And we got some pizza over here by Ing, Pizza Lover. 89 baht or 159 baht. And we have some donuts and some other little snacks. So she's just selling the water lilies right here. I really love the water lilies. I planted those, made little water things out on my balcony, and at home in the States had the water lilies and little ponds and stuff like that. Always fun, have the little frogs and everything and little goldfish. And it being Thailand, of course, you got motorcycles going through the market. Yeah, this isn't anything fancy, just kind of cool to come over here and walk through here. You see all the fresh produce, limes and tomatoes and little chilies. And then she has some of the Thai food, all the snails and some of the crab. Now we got some bananas over here. Looks like the Goy Young. Not sure how much the Goy Young is. It's kind of went up in price around Bangkok. It's like 30 baht now. It was 20 baht forever. It's a little bit of inflation. And we have some, they're making little rice snacks over here, putting the sugar on it. So you can see everything that she's deep frying over here, fish and shrimp and those vegetables. And then there's rice snacks, and you see she's putting that little syrup right there on them. And then you can buy a package. These are usually like 35 baht for one, or 3 for 100. They don't have any prices on them. And some more snacks. The rice snacks, or the noodle snacks, everything else. She has, Sawadi Kap. She has some mangoes here. So you got the more sour ones, and then the sweet ones are right here. And more stuff over here. Yeah, just a little market, and then it keeps on going out into the parking lot over here. So she's selling some of the hats and some of the scarves and little wicker baskets and stuff like that. And then we got lots of the dried fish set up over here. That old couch right there's seen better days. So what they're doing here is they're making up the Goy Tot. You see the bananas, and they'll deep fry them over there. And she's making the little sweet potato balls and deep frying them right up over there. So they're out at the Goy Tot is always nice. I like to get that. You can see some of the fish over here. So they're sun drying them, and these over here deep fried. It has all the little minnows and stuff. She's got this thing here to keep the flies off. So you get a bag of those little minnows for 50 baht. Ooh, it's fishy smell. And then this lady over here, she's selling some. All right, so that's kind of the whole area here. And that's looking back over towards the reclining Buddha. Well, that'll finish up our video over here at this Wat Satue, this huge reclining Buddha. This is pretty cool. It's just a locals temple. This is so far away from the normal touristy trail. You just get out here, you can see how the Thais do things, which for me, that's a lot of fun. I really enjoy stuff like this. It's just a small temple that not too many people know about, but the Thais still come over here and check this out. They really enjoy it. And if you've enjoyed the video, smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and you get to see some more content of stuff like this that I do, and see some of these things off the beaten path. I have a motorcycle, so I like to just get out and explore away from everybody, and this is the kind of stuff you see when you're exploring out here in Thailand. And definitely leave me a comment, tell me what you think. If you've been here or have any questions, let me know, and I'll do my best to answer it. And until next time, from over here at Wat Satue in Ayutthaya province, remember, life is a journey. So until next time, enjoy.